Welcome back to my channel. I'm your neighborhood friendly truck driver, Fit Truck, also known as Travis. Today, Saturday, November the 2nd, I believe, I'm about an hour and a half south of Oklahoma City at a park that I rode my bike at about 3 years ago. This time, 3 years ago. Fall season, can't really tell where I'm at right now, but the leaves are definitely changing. I wanted to show you guys something. If you look real close, you look at the trees, you could see that a tornado came through here. That's why that's closed off. Back over there on the other side of that tree line, you can really see the damage where it cut through this particular area. I'm going to change real quick. As far as change, I mean put on my trail shoes. Try to do about a 3-mile run out here on the trail. I mainly wanted to get out of town, get out here in nature, see some mini waterfalls. This particular spot got many waterfalls. A little farther down the road, probably about 10 miles farther down, is a bigger waterfall. But I'm here at this particular spot, gonna knock this out real quick, then head back to Oklahoma City. As you can see behind me, it's been cloudy all day. Serious rain is coming in across this area, talking maybe flash floods and whatnot. But let's go and knock this out real quick and then go from there. All right, guys, 5K complete. I hear that it's already raining in Oklahoma City, so I need to bypass the cool down, bypass stretching. Unfortunately, I have to do that at home. Let's go on and grab everything and get out of here. For a trail, I did pretty good. I walked some, of course, but my effort was good. And even though it's late in the evening, it's like 4:45, and I really need to get out of here because the rain's supposed to start around 6. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick run, not much. I got out here in nature. I got to see some waterfalls, got to see some autumn leaves or some fall leaves, and got it in before the rain came. More importantly, I forced myself to get out of the house. I wasn't going to get out of the house. I've been sitting around just kind of procrastinating, but I made it. I didn't even go to the gym. I just jumped in the car and drove all the way out here. It's about 85 miles south of Oklahoma City. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe. Please be safe. And we catch you on the flip flop. Peace.